Hey, what's up, Bboye Oxer? So today's video is a review of the Magic Mouse 2. So this is basically a mouse by Apple. So it is the second gen, so we should expect some improvements. So featuring a new design, Magic Mouse 2 is completely rechargeable, so you just need a lightning USB and charge it up. It's lighter, has fewer moving parts than to its built-in battery and continuous bottom shell, and has an optimized foot design, all helping Magic Mouse 2 track easier and move with less resistance across your desk. And the multi-touch surface allows you to perform simple gestures such as swiping up between web pages and scrolling through documents. Magic Mouse 2 is ready to go right out of the box and pairs automatically with your Mac. So basically, this mouse before the first generation was battery powered, so you had to insert batteries. But now it's all light and it's all a rechargeable battery, so you just charge it up, and the battery stays for a long period of time. So the mouse itself on top is made out of glass and the bottom is made out of stainless steel. So it is really comfortable to a scale, but you can expect glitches because it's alright guys. So I'm going to show you a live footage of using the Magic Mouse 2. So I have my Magic Keyboard 2. I want to do a review of that later. So let me just click the search bar and show you guys the new gestures physically. So I'm going to search up Logan Paul because he's been in the news for a long time. And so the first gesture I'm going to tell you guys is the quick zoom. So all you do is just double tap 2 times very lightly, as so. And yeah, you scroll down using one finger, up, down, left to right. And if you want to zoom out, you just double tap out like that. So to scroll up and down a page, you just use one finger and scroll up and down. So let me just get a new tab to show you guys how to page skip. Okay. Now I'm just going to show you how to page skip first by going to YouTube and giving 2 different URLs. So on this page, it's YouTube. On the next page, it's about Logan Paul. So I'm just going to search up our channel, Bboye Alex. And if you guys didn't subscribe, please subscribe. It would really help us. And don't forget Bboye Alex. There's a space between each other. So come on guys, we're doing really good. 23 subscribers. We could increase it. And then I'm going to just double tap to show you guys to move. So you can move down, up, and you can skip quickly. And left to right, just like that. Now, if you guys want to page skip, you use 2 fingers and then swipe left to right. So all you do is do that. And if you want to go to Mission Control Center, all you do is double tap with 2 fingers and it'll come there. So that's basically it, guys, and I'll catch up to you guys next video. And don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to ringtone or the ring or notifications. See ya.